You from Philippines? Yes. You done works already? Yes, Mr. Smile. Rana Babar. Yes, I finished already. You're right, I'm yours. It's true. Rana Babar. You have gold? Yes. Hamid. Hello po. Yes, Mr. Smile, you have tell me na. No, Rana Babar. Mahmud Haiki. Alkiay. Hello po. Hi, Kuya Jeff. Hi, Spain. Yeah. Hello. Okay, bye. Bye to Rana. Noro. Bilal. What is this? Purple frog. I could see in your face. That's why. You have. Yeah. That's why. Na. I'm just waiting like 8:30 and then I will go sleep maybe. Hello, Mustak. That's good. Yeah. I feel pain in my eyes also. Drink ginger tea. No, I don't have. Argar Perez. Kumusta ka? Okay lang, Mustak. What about you? Order from